Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So, these cards are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I will be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading after this general guidance. So that reading may answer your doubts or questions you have in your situation, guys, Aquarius. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys, that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here for your gentle energies. It's Queen of Earth, Patience, and King of Fire. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You are someone who is really practical and grounded. You are a very dedicated person. So whatever choice you make, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, you are a very reliable person, grounded and trustworthy, loyal to the person and committed to whatever you take up. And whatever challenges you face it with confidence and grit. And you are someone who is really kind and compassionate, helpful to the people in your situation. Maybe that may be the reason this person loves you. You are a very kind-hearted soul, compassionate soul. That may be the reason they love you. And you are someone who is really talented and skilled. You have great knowledge through your experiences you have faced in your life, and you are confident about your abilities and skills, guys. And you are really someone who communicates with people, who loves to communicate with others, work with people. You are a very friendly person and you help others and you guide others and you act as a person who inspires others. So you are someone who's really skilled, talented and kind and compassionate, helpful. And today, guys, maybe your helpful nature or your kind gestures, maybe you are doing something maybe beyond your limit, you are helping someone, it may be beyond your limit. So you need to go for moderation, guys. Maybe it may be too much on your part. Maybe you are putting yourself at a greater a risk of some difficult situation. Maybe if you are helping financially, or it may be a guidance, you are speaking kind words, then it is okay. But if you are doing something beyond your limit, you have to go for moderation, guys. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first, guys. So we have Page of Air. So with this card in your relationship, guys, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. Maybe you're quite curious about this person, curious what they are. Maybe you are in a new connection. That may be the reason for this energy. You are yet to find out about them, or they are really curious and they are maybe for some of you spying on you. Maybe they are finding out more about you from your friends or family, guys. So they are truly interested in you. That may be the reason for this energy here. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Six of Water. So with this card, guys, maybe you are having a good time communicating with the people in your work situation about your achievements and past success. So some kind of communication, or what to say, you're simply wishing and hoping for the return of those good old days. So you are quite emotional today, guys, sharing your past success or some past stories about your work situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. So I'll keep the second card aside. For those who chose this first card, it is Seraphos Green Quartz. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that in your circumstances today, you are in a situation, you have done everything possible, but truth or the reality is something different which you cannot accept, which you find it really difficult to accept. And you have been rigid all along, you have been rigid till now. But now you have come to a state of acceptance, accepting things, ready to accept things as it is. So this is the time you will experience clarity in your situation, guys, clarity in your relationship. And this is the time for you to see the truth, being really honest about the things that we can change and what we cannot change. And it is a big step today in your connection, so you will have a better understanding that whatever situation you are in, you are totally helpless. You are at the mercy of the universe or your circumstances or destiny, whatever you call it. So you are unable to change. But when you accept that situation, accept this pain or tears as it is going to give you that clarity, guys, in your heart, and you're going to feel a harmony and balance. So whatever is rightfully yours will never miss you, guys. You can trust on that. So if this love is rightfully yours, it is meant to be. This person will realize your love, will realize your worth. But if it is not, there is a better person, a better love on its way right now towards you, and it is much more better than you have imagined. So there is no use of this tears or pain today, guys. So this acceptance of this difficult situation is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. So that is the energy for this card, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. So for those who chose this second card, guys, it is the Little Match Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our circumstances today, Maybe it may be in our uh, relationship, in our life in general. We are, what to say, in a particular circumstance, we see so much pain, suffering, and tears in our circumstances. We are trying to run away from it, trying to, what to say, avoid this sadness. But this card calls for action. So, some kind of help, whatever it is, when we help those people who are less fortunate, less blessed than us. They are also human beings just like us, guys, and they are in some kind of a difficult situation, and it is our duty, or it is our, what to say, the right way of doing things. So, whatever we can do, maybe it may be a really harsh circumstance, but we can be that person of love, comfort, and warmth to that other person. So it is going to give them hope and happiness, and it is going to, what to say, change the way things are for them. So we are going to help this person feel courage, strength, and love. If we step up today, step up with a kind heart, with a compassionate gesture in their life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your situation someone needs help, and this card calls for that, guys, for that helping nature of yours. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.